Use a query. What should I do if she stops responding because she got offended? For whatever reason, she might have chosen not to reply to my last message because she feels like she isn't a priority. How should I respond? Response script, navigating the silence when she feels unimportant. Identifying the current phase. To handle this correctly, you must first recognize that she has entered a red light phase. Specifically, if she is acting cold or silent because she feels she isn't a priority, she is likely in a hard red light or a soft red light stage. When a woman feels like she isn't a priority, it often means there is an imbalance in emotional energy. She may feel that you are too comfortable or that your attention is too predictable, causing her to pull away to see if you will actually notice and react. Step-by-step guide to responding. If she has stopped responding because she feels unimportant, follow these steps to restore the balance. First, stop the chase immediately. Do not send a long emotional message explaining why she is wrong. If you immediately follow a silence with a heavy way of convincing her that she is a priority, it often backfires and makes you look like you are reacting out of fear or neediness. Second, provide genuine space. This falls under the hard red light strategy. You must step back. Let the silence hang. This allows her to feel the contrast between your previous connection and this current distance. Third, maintain calm dignity. If she eventually sends a small message, such as, "Hey," or "Are you okay?" respond politely but briefly. Do not jump back into high-intensity conversation immediately. A calm, brief response shows that even though there is tension, you are able and not bothered by the silence. Fourth, wait for genuine effort. Do not restart the deep connection until she shows genuine effort. This means her messages move from simple probes to emotional openness, like "I miss talking to you," or "I'm sorry." Only when she reaches out with this level of vulnerability should you return to a warmer, more invested way of communicating. The biggest mistake. The biggest mistake in this situation is over-communicating or chasing during the silence. When she pulls away, your instinct is to try and fix it by sending more messages, asking what's wrong, or explaining how much you care. However, if she already feels like she isn't a priority, chasing her actually makes her feel even less prioritized because you are focusing on your need to resolve the tension rather than her need for space. Chasing often increases the pressure, which causes even more withdrawal. My best personal advice. The goal is not to win an argument or force a reply. It is to move her from a state of uncertainty back to a state of desire. Silence is your most powerful tool. It creates a vacuum that she will eventually feel compelled to fill. A simple rule to remember: space creates certain respect. If you give her the space to miss you, she will find the room to value you. The golden rule. Never prioritize your own urge to talk over her need to feel heard and missed. The simple formula for reconnection, silence, plus calmness, plus waiting for effort, equals restored priority. Thank you message. Thank you for using the ultimate edition of Love Map. Make sure to like and subscribe to our Love Map YouTube channel so you will know what the latest update on this powerful AI model.